Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see the example in InTouch. So, how to design a simple process in SCADA, right? So, for that, I'm going to get help from a PNID diagram. So, what is this PNID? Any idea? So, PNID is piping and instrumentation diagram. Okay, so these are all the fundamental importance in process automation and process industry. So we can tell this, it shows the interconnection of process equipment and instrumentation used to control the process. Fine, so it will be like a diagram. I'll show one example for that. Yeah, this is the heat exchanger. Okay, there is a process with a heat exchanger, and this is the PNID diagram for this example, right? So here you can find the heat exchanger. So here there is some like a cylindrical object, right? So this is the symbol of heat exchanger in PNID diagram. Fine. So above that you can see some TT with round. It's like a circle, right? So TT is nothing but a temperature transmitter. And above that TIC means it is a temperature indicator controller. And this is the control valve symbol and this is the hand valve symbol. Fine. And these are all the signals. See, the dashed signals are electrical signals. And a signal and a line with a cross mark. This is the temperature signal. And here can you see this line with the hash? This is the pressure signal. So like that, even signals are also having various symbols in PNID. Okay, so you can tell it is a diagram of the system or equipment present in the section of the plant and shows the necessary graphical element to execute, monitor and control specific processes. So a PNID diagram does not describe the reaction involved in the process, nor does it describe the procedure of the same. Okay, it will not describe any procedure or this one is happening, not like that. It is just the replication of your field instruments located in a field in the software. Okay, so I'm going to take this heat exchanger example as the first one. So let's see how to design this in the software. Fine. So just go to our InTouch. Right. So all the equipments we need to take it from the symbol factory. If it is available in the wizard, you can. Else we need to take it from the symbol factory. Fine. So let's check out for the heat exchanger first. Just have a look into this diagram once again. We need heat exchanger. We need control valve. We need this TIC and transmitter. Here one transmitter and here one controller, that may be our PLC. Okay. And here one control valve and this TY is the I2P converter. Fine. Because controller cannot communicate with control valve directly. So we need I2P converter. So controller signal will be current, that will be converted to the pressure. Got it guys? Yeah. So let's see how to do this in a InTouch. So first I'm going to take a heat exchanger. So heat exchanger is not over here in the wizard section. So I'm going for the symbol factory. Go there. First select what are the components we are in need. Right. So heat exchanger, you can get it from process heating column. Yeah. Here. Process heating column. In that I'm going to take this heat exchanger. So there you are having multiple heat exchanger. Okay, so it's your option like how it is exactly matching in your process. According to that you need to choose. Got it? Yeah. So I'm going to take this heat exchanger. And above that what we have seen? One transmitter, right? So go for the symbol factory. Okay. Go for the symbol factory and go for the sensor column. There you can find some good transmitter symbols. See, temperature transmitter 2, temperature generic. This is another transmitter. So let's take this one. Okay. And keep it over here above this. Right. And above that what we have seen? We have seen a controller. So I have told you that may be the PLC. So go to the controller column and check out what type of PLC you want. Let's take this one. Yeah, this one will take, and keep it over here. And now I think we are in need of 3 more components. One is the manual valve over here, another one is a control valve over here, and one more is controller. Sorry, it's a converter, right? So let's go to the valve type. Let's go to the valves. In that, let's take one control valve first. I'm going to take this one, control valve, and just keep it, let it be here. And one more hand valve, like a manual valve I want. So it was, yeah, it should be like this, hand valve, because manual valve means what? We need to close and we need to open it. So it should have some hand, the handle kind of. So better we'll choose this one. This one? Or let it be this one, hand valve. Great. Go for this. Keep it over here. Right. One more thing is pending, which is a converter, right? So I think here there is no converter session. See, there is no converter sessions over here. Right. So we can go for some, let's check whether if we can able to find some box kind of thing, you can go with that. Else you can take one box and put that as I2P converter, right? I think here it will not be there. So what we can do, we can take one box. Let's take a box, keep it over here, and mark that as I2P converter, right? I2P. Fine, that's it. I think we have taken all the components. Now the remaining part is the connection, right? See, we have taken everything. And one more thing is, here in a PNID there is no need to, in a PNID they have mentioned what type of signal it is, correct? And in a SCADA there is no need to give such signals. You can just connect all the components. That's more enough, right? So shall we start from here, from this team in, right? We'll start from here. One input is coming to a control valve. So let's keep a control valve just parallel to the heat exchanger, right? You can take a pipe, go for yes, we can go for some horizontal pipe. Let's connect it here. There is a grid option, no? That's what. Just turn off the grid and connect wherever you want. If you are having a grid, no, then that will be according to the point you need to connect. Else you just connect like this. Fine. You can take a pipe, or else better take a line. That's also fine, right? That is also fine. But yes, you can take a pipe here. And whatever I'm going to do here means I'm just connecting one line here. And take an arrow mark. Repeat last object. What happened? Okay, I have taken a line. No, that's what it is repeating. Just go for symbol factory. Go for arrows. Where is arrows? Yes, here it is. You can choose the arrow. Just take like this, make it short, just delete this. Now we don't want a line. You can type here as steam in. Steam is coming inside this, right? So you can type that also if you want, or else after connecting everything you can go for the text option for all. That is also fine, right? So we'll connect everything, then at last we'll go for the text option. Got it? Now next we need to connect from this control valve to heat exchanger, right? So just copy this one, paste it here, connect here, just make it like this. That's it. Fine. After that we need to connect these two, I2P converter and this one, or control valve. Just take a line, connect these two. It's not straight. Go for a line. Just connect. Still it is not straight. Let's do one thing. Start from here. Connect up. What happened? Just a minute. It's loading. It got struck, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So let's check out this. We have connected these things. And now this gonna be the steam in. So let's type the remaining details at last together. Fine. So now what is the next one? We need to connect the remaining components, right? So let's take a line, connect it here. Yeah, that's it. Fine. So the next line is between, let's take a polyline, take from controller, from controller to this I2P converter. That's it, right? So you can make this object to align back to send to back. Oh, send come to bring to front. Bring to front, so that that line is gone and the text is now gone, no? So we need to arrange it according to that. Now click on this line, right click, send to back. Got it? So like that you can make an alignment. Now from our temperature transmitter, from heat exchanger to temperature transmitter, take a line, connect like this. I think for connecting lines and all you can take a grid again, because that alignment is missing, no? That's what. So wherever you want, take a grid, else you don't take a grid. Now see that issue will not be there. You just extend the line. Yeah, that's it. And here also you can bring that to send to back. Bring to front. Got it? Now from here to our controller. That's it. Now what else? From our controller to I to P converter is already there, right? Make this, yeah. Now from heat exchanger to hand valve, right? Manual valve, connect from here. I think here you can take a pipe, fine. So let's go for symbol factory. Take a pipe, take a horizontal or vertical pipe like this. Let's take this. Keep it here. And again one horizontal pipe, copy and paste. Keep it bit side. And you can connect here, yeah, like this. You just extend this. According to that you need to align the vertical pipe also. Just make the size too small according to this, right? Just increase the width a bit or decrease the width of the horizontal one. I'm going to take that from symbol factory so that we will get the exact size. Take it from here, yeah, just place it exactly. Right, now again one outlet is also going, right? Yeah, that is a product which is coming from outside. So you can take one more here. That's it. Arrange it, right? That's it. I think almost all the components and connections are done, right? Here one heated product out is there. Heated product out. You can take this. Just make this here so that it is going for the heated product out. Fine. If you want to just expand this, you need to be very careful because it is changing the size also if you are doing that. Got it? So remaining and all, I think it is a text. So let's type steam in, control valve, heat exchanger, transmitter, controller and all, right? So let's type here as steam in, control valve, right? And this gonna be the heat exchanger, CHAN, right? The spelling is wrong. Just type again HATEXCHANGER. Fine. And this is gonna be the manual wall. And here, which is some steam out and heated product out. Yes, right. And this is going to be the controller. And this is transmitter. And this is I2P converter, which is already written as I bar P, right? So this is the simple system we have done, right? So for this transmitter, if they want to, in the SCADA, if they want to monitor what is the value of the transmitter, means they will be choosing like this. They will be putting here as hash, and once you click that, it will take you to the animation page. Now here you need to show the value of the tag, right? You need to tag the particular variable you have created for this transmitter. So it will be showing the transmitter value here. Same thing, if you want to show the status of the valve, control valve or manual valve, you can use this value display. Fine. So like this, if you want to give the arrow mark, you can give the arrow mark here also. You can see, I'll just copy this, I'll just paste it here, which is the arrow mark indicates that it is the product out. Just keep it here so that it will be product out. Like that you can customize according to the requirement. So steam out is here, some steam out. You need to take one valve, line, keep it here. This is also steam out. That's it, right? So this is the simple one we have seen, heat exchanger. So PNID, comparing to, by seeing PNID, you need to design the SCADA page. Fine. So just practice this in the software, guys. I'll meet you in the next session with another example. Fine. Yeah. Bye.